7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at Helium. Helium is currently ranked number 44 on CoinMarketCap. Helium is trading for $9.36. In the last 1 month, it has gone as high as $12 and as low as $7.45. Helium currently has a market cap of $1.1 billion. In this video, we'll be looking at Helium US dollar price chart. Should we be buying some Helium? Is the bottom in? Helium has been dumping from the all-time high set at $54. It has dumped more than 87%. Is the bottom in right now? We're having a relief in the altcoin market, Helium included. Should we start buying some Helium? Also be looking at Helium's performance against Bitcoin, Helium's performance against Ethereum. Then we'll take a look at the Helium market cap chart that fell from $5.4 billion to as low as $1.1 billion. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Helium is down 18.8% in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month, it's down 19.4%. But in the last 1 week and the last 1 day, Helium is showing signs of life. In the last 1 week, it's up 5.8%. The million-dollar question, should we be getting some Helium through the bear market? Helium had a wonderful run and it was launched in June 2020. It was launched when the market was in an up-only motion. Helium went up more than 18,000% in just 522 days. Crazy returns, crazy pumps for Helium. And guys, if you're there for the pump, you have to enjoy the dumps. After Helium pumped more than 18,000%, Helium has been dumping. It topped right here on the 12th of November 2021. Helium topped around $55 on some exchanges, and Helium has been dumping since then. Helium dumped to a low of as low as $6.7 on the 28th of May 2022. Right now, it has recovered a little. Right now, I've gotten some small relief in the market. Helium is up 33% from the bottom. It actually got to as high as 72% from the bottom. Is this the accumulation time? Should we be buying some Helium right now? Let's look at what Helium did in the up-only motion before we look at what it's doing in the bear market. Helium has not gone through the real crypto bear market, so that's why you want to be careful with it through the bear market. All coins can lose 90 to 99% of their value through the bear market. Helium is not down that bad, but let's see what Helium did when the market was pumping. When the market was pumping from June 2020, you can see that Helium first had a crazy pump right here, and this pump took Helium 600% in just 69 days. After that, Helium had its first major dump. It dumped 66%, and since when Helium was launched, this was the first major dump Helium had. And after that 66% dump, Helium went on that crazy ride. It went up 2,800% in just 156 days. And this was when the market was easy, up only from November 2020 till 10th of April 2021. All coins went crazy that time, and Helium included. Helium pumped. If you invested $1,000 in November 2020 in Helium, guys, and you sold those Helium at the top right here, you got to sell out over $20,000 worth of Helium. Mad returns. Then we had a mini bear market in 2021, and Helium, just like the rest of the market, actually dumped. Helium went from as high as $21. It dumped to as low as $8.4, which represented a 60% dump. This was the second major dump for Helium since its inception, before Helium went on the final bull run, and this was from June 30, 2021 till November 2021. Helium went up another 500%, and which represented from the bottom right here for Helium from $0.27 to the top of around $55. Helium went up more than 18,000% in less than 525 days. Mad return. But since when we have been dumping, guys, since when we said that all-time high, Helium have not been able to. Since when we set that all-time high, Helium have not been able to rally to set a new all-time high. And we first had our first dump, 52%. It was not like this other dump we had right here. And Helium found a way to rally, but this rally was nothing to write home about. And this rally was very short-lived. Helium pumped only 72%. And then we had a major dump. And from that rally that Helium had that ended up in 4th of January 2022, Helium dumped another 84%, which represented the highest dump Helium has had since when it was launched. And from the top of the market, Helium dropped at least 87%. And but we know that during the bear market, all coins used to drop 90 to 99% of their value. With Helium be among the best performing altcoins in the market, you can see that where Helium is chilling right here has been a region that price has interacted. And if this 9.4 level doesn't hold, then we might be going to goblin town for Helium. I'm going to show you worst case scenario, and if this level doesn't hold, and where can Helium dump further. If 9.4 level doesn't hold for Helium, guys, we might see Helium trading around 4.18 level. That's a 50% dump from where we are right now. And if that level doesn't hold, worst case scenario for Helium will lose another 79% and be trading under $2. That will mean from the top of Helium, which is around $55, if Helium is trading for $1.85, Helium would have lost 96% of its value. Why would Helium get to that level? Probably is because Helium has interacted with this region. When we wanted to pump into new all-time highs, you can see that Helium was rejected off this level multiple times. 1.83 level. When Helium was finally able to pass that level and went to set new all-time highs, even with the region where we are right now, it acted as huge support for Helium during the mini bear market we had in 2021. So right now Helium is reacting to that level. If Helium cannot break into new highs, maybe get into $20, I would expect Helium to dump further down to around this $1, hoping this level will hold because we have a little support right here. Let's take a look at Helium's performance against Bitcoin. Helium has been pumping against Bitcoin when the market is pumping, and when the market is dumping, Helium dumps really well against Bitcoin. When it was launched right here, it had a 1,200% pump against Bitcoin in just 107 days. Then Helium gave back all those gains and it dumped really hard. It lost more than 90% of its value in almost the same period of time, in 120 days. And then the bull run started for Helium and every other altcoin from December 2020, and Helium started gaining on Bitcoin. It went to as high as gaining over 2,600% in barely a year, in 360 days. Mad returns, but guys, with every huge returns, at some point in time will come some huge downs because it requires a lot of effort to push the prices up, but just requires little effort to bring it down, and the market actually goes up in a staircase but comes down through an elevator. And since when Helium topped against Bitcoin on the 4th of January 2022, Helium has lost more than 74% of its value. Now, in the last 1 month, Helium has been pumping against Bitcoin. From May 28, 2022, Helium has pumped against Bitcoin. It has gained more than 127% against Bitcoin. Is the bottom in for Helium, or is this just a fake out for us to continue going to goblin town? Since when Helium against Bitcoin set its all-time high on the 1st of January 2022, we have not been able to set a new higher high, and we have just set a new lower low. And right now we have not set a new higher high. This is another lower low. So if we break this low, guys, Helium might be going to goblin town against Bitcoin, and all coins during the bear market normally lose value against Bitcoin because a lot of people are risk off. A lot of people want to go into safety and don't want to hold any asset that will be underperforming against Bitcoin. Only time we tell if Helium will perform well during the bear market. And Helium against Ethereum is almost the same story. It pumps very well when the market is pumping. It pumps well against Ethereum, but when the market is dumping, it dumps really well. When Helium was launched against Ethereum, it went up over 850% in just 105 days, and it took another 120 days to lose more than 89% of that value. When the market came back and all coins went crazy, Helium outperformed Ethereum, even though Ethereum went crazy during that period in time, and Helium pumped more than 934% against Ethereum. That was huge profit for guys that bought Helium instead of Ethereum in 2021, but it has been dumping because with every huge pump comes corresponding huge dump. Helium lost another 68% of its value. But in the last 1 month, Helium has been performing well. It performed well against Bitcoin, well against Ethereum. Against Ethereum, it has pumped more than 178% in the last 21 days. But we have been seeing a reduction in value. So it was just a fake out because you see that Helium couldn't set new all-time highs. And the reality of things is that a lot of these coins during the bear market might not set new all-time highs against Bitcoin or against Ethereum. Those are the strongest assets in the asset class, and right now Helium is dumping against Ethereum. It has lost 28% of its value. Are we going to see Helium set a new all-time low during the bear market? Only time will tell. Helium is a fairly new coin. We don't know how it will perform during the bear market. Now let's take a look at Helium's market cap chart. Helium's market cap went from as low as less than $50 million to as high as $5 billion at the height of the bull run. But with the market dumping, Helium market cap has been losing valuation. Helium market cap has come to as low as $814 million, and right now it's steadily at $1.1 billion, but we need that level to hold. The line in the sand for Helium's market valuation is around that $796-800 million, and if Helium can hold that level, maybe we might say decent relief rally, but this relief rally is nothing to write home about. We just had an 81% pump in Helium. As a matter of fact, Helium is actually performing well. A lot of these altcoins are down 90 to 92%. Helium is only down 85% from the all-time high, but we need that level to hold for Helium, guys. If not, we might see Helium's market cap getting to as low as $350 million. If that level doesn't hold, then we're going to goblin town, and Helium's market cap might drop to as low as $100 million. Is that possible? That's very, very possible. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. At what point in time will you buy some Helium? Do you think Helium will not go below $9? Is $4 possible? Is Helium getting to $1.81 actually possible? Only time will tell. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, what will you be doing with your Helium through the bear market? Will you be holding through the chaos, and will you be buying right here because you believe the bottom is in, or will you be selling into the pump expecting lower prices? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.